In this video, I will show you how to use the TikTok sounds library. First, launch open the TikTok app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now, if you find a sound while watching the videos that you would like to use later, then you simply want to tap on this audio icon right here. Now, you can simply tap on the use this sound option or tap on save. Another way is you can tap on this plus icon. Now tap on the add sound option at the top, select that. From here, the TikTok sounds library will open. You have the hot section here. You're going to find all of your trending songs. You can tap on for you can tap on favorites, and you can tap on recent. If you want to search for a specific song, you can simply tap on the search bar and then search for your song over here. Once you have selected the song that you want, you can simply tap on this check mark option. In this way, you can easily use the TikTok sounds library. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.